Hi guys. Let's see how to find your Windows version with a command. There are lots of ways to identify your Windows version, but in this video you can get a clear idea how to use a simple command to find Windows version. First, run dialog box with the Windows+R keyboard shortcut. After that box showed up, you have to do is simply type Winver. This stands for Windows version. Here you can see your computer will display and about Windows screen with the Windows version included. That's it. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.